What's up, guys? We're back with the Boomin' Bulldog, our amazing peony. 500 gram, 10 shotter in the amazing series. Simple red, white, blue mine to red, white, blue peony. I'm assuming there's supposed to be peony at the end there. Very excited. I always love a red, white, and blue mix. There you go. 10 shot, amazing peony. Boomin' Bulldog, when only the best will do. Let's check it out. See how red, white, and blue this looks for us. Again, there's a little sneak peek at the 10 tubes. Alright guys, check it out. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Comment down below.